my friends, welcome back to my channel, LiftFlowGrow. My name is Christina and welcome to my beginner's tutorials. Today's yoga pose is going to be upward facing dog, Urdhva Muhka Svanasana. A couple of props, you can use yoga blocks, you can use a book to bring the floor up towards you. You will have your mat nearby, have some water nearby, and we're all going to begin. I'll meet you on the mat. So for your upward facing dog, this is a serious back bend. To have the openness in your chest and the shoulders roll down and away from the ears is really important. How we're going to begin is we're going to begin on our belly. Come to lay all the way down on the belly, untuck your toes. And have your arms underneath your shoulders. Press the tops of the feet down and lift the kneecaps off the floor. From here, pull the belly in, squeeze your glutes, and see if you can peel your chest slightly using the muscles of your back. So if you lift the hands, you're still up, using the muscles, but your whole body is engaged. So you're actively pressing the tops of the feet down, lifting the chest up. As you do that, see if you can squeeze your elbows in and release. Rest on one of your cheeks for now. Shake from side to side, making sure there is no tension in your lower back. And find the other cheek. Find stillness, and we're going to try upward facing dog one more time. For now, we're just practicing cobra. So for cobra or baby cobra, all you need to do is peel the chest up slightly. The focus is keeping the shoulders away from the ears. Tops of the feet are down and kneecaps are off the mat. And release. And one more time, lift up. This time, see if you can press into the arms and peel the chest in slightly. And release. One more time. And release. Upward facing dog might be a little gnarly on your lower back. If you don't have the opening in your body to go fully into the pose yet. So don't force yourself. Don't force your body into stretches, into poses that might be a little bit too much for it. Using props, yoga blocks or books might help you achieve that shape without causing any strain in your body, in your muscles, without pinching anything along the way. So place the block or the books down on the mat. Place your hands down and come to lay down on the belly one more time. As you do that, find the tops of the feet down and lift the kneecaps off the mat. So your hands are in the same position they were a minute ago without your props. You can adjust if you have to. Hands underneath the shoulders, elbows are in, and now see if you can press your chest up, opening, and release. One more time, lift up, and release. Last one, and release. When you practice your upward facing dog, really important is you have tops of the feet down and kneecaps off the mat. So your lower body is engaged, your glutes are active to protect your lower back. And as you open the chest, you're rolling the shoulders down and away from the ears. Removing the props. And we're gonna go to the full expression of upward facing dog. So when you come to lay down on your belly, untuck your toes. Again, find your alignment. Check in your mirror. are the tops of the feet down, are my kneecaps off the mat. Hands underneath the shoulders, really important. Press the floor away from you, pull the chest through and let it drop down. Let your hips drop as you find opening in the chest. A little adjustment you can do here is bend the elbows slightly, and as you do that, you will find that openness in the chest, and you are allowing your shoulders to drop down and away from the ears. When you have the whole mobility of your spine and your openness in your chest, you'll be able to find the full expression of upward facing dog. And again, see, I'm pressing the tops of the feet down, lifting the kneecaps, and really pressing the floor away from me with my arms as I open the chest, finding a deeper back bend. Bring the knees down. And upward facing dog might come to you later in your practice, and that's okay. Find the shape, find the variation that works for you. Keep on practicing, and you will see that with the time, your body will open up and you'll be able to find the full expression of the pose that works for your body. I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Thank you for taking the time and practicing with me. I'll see you next time. Namaste.